It's no secret that we all love making money online, specifically work from home jobs, right? So I'm about to show you a job that is paying up to $20 per hour plus $1,000 sign-on bonus. And not only that, I'm going to show you how to maneuver through this website so that you can find additional bonuses as well. So if that sounds good to you, make sure that you stick around until the end of this video. Before we get into today's video, let me introduce you to our sponsor. So there's this new app called HireEct, and they help you find remote jobs that will be tailored to your own experiences and what you're looking for. The top 3 reasons why I love this app and why you need to sign up with it today is number 1, transparency. Every company within this app is verified, and not only that, but they must list their salary or their hourly rate. So you'll know exactly how much you can expect to get paid before applying to the job. Secondly, they are super quick. Most hiring decisions are made within 24 hours, so there's no long wait for you to hear back from the hiring managers or the CEOs. And lastly, this app is super convenient. You don't have to be scrambling through your emails trying to figure out if someone responded to you or not. All correspondence is handled directly within the app, so you can even chat directly with the CEOs or hiring managers of that company. And you will also be notified when they respond. If you're in need for some more remote or work from home jobs, then you can head over to my description box where you will find the link to download the HireEct app. All right, now let's get back into the video. What's up, money makers? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Diamond Chanel, and we talk about all things money. As you saw from the intro, I'm going to be showing you a company which is going to be a very reputable company who is giving out thousands of dollars in sign-on bonuses. So if you qualify for this job, you're going to have a chance to not only earn $1,000, but to earn an additional $2,000 on top of that. And I'm also going to show you how to maneuver through their website so that you can find other positions that is offering more than $1,000 for a sign-on bonus. Now, before we even get into this video, I'm going to make it clear because I don't want to waste anybody's time. This particular company is going to be strictly for U.S. residents. So if you are living outside of the U.S., I am sorry, this video is not going to be for you. However, what you can do is go to the link in my description, and I'm going to leave a link to a video where I show you how to find jobs that are offering positions all around the world. And not only that, before you click off of this video, please go ahead in the comments section below and tell me what country you live in so that I can try to find jobs that are specific to your country. Okay, now that we've gotten that out the way, I'm about to walk you through this website, so we're just going to go through it together. We're also going to go through all of the requirements and all of the qualifications that you need to get hired for this position. So we're starting off here at jobs.cvshealth.com. So you can find this link in my description, or you could just go ahead and type it into your computer. That's up to you. So this company is going to be CVS, and they're actually offering a lot of work from home jobs, but you just need to know how to find it. So we're going to go down to this search bar, and when it says search by title, category, or military MOS code, we're going to search in bonus, because we're looking for jobs specifically with sign-on bonuses. Okay, now what we need to do is scroll down here and click on remote jobs. So we want to do fully remote and even work from home flexible if that's something that you're interested in. And so you can see that there are pages and pages of different jobs that they're offering with thousands of dollars in sign-on bonuses. This one says 4K. However, I'm not going to go through each and every one of the jobs that they're offering. I'm just showing you how to find these different bonuses so that you can find jobs that you are qualified for. I'm just going to go over this one particular job, but you can feel free to go through their pages and pages upon jobs that they're offering. So this particular job is fully remote. If you see something that says work from home flexible, then that means that they might require you to go in and out of the office. So you want to be careful when picking that option. But this is why we're going to look here. So this position includes an $1,000 sign-on bonus as well as an additional $2,000 to be paid out after 90 days of training. So that's important for you to know. So just going over some of the job responsibilities that you can look forward to if you get hired for this position. is customer service inquiries and problems are going to be dealt with via telephone. So if you don't like speaking on the phone, then this one might not be for you. However, like I said, they have plenty of other positions that are open as well with thousands of dollars in sign-on bonuses. They do have customer conversations that will just go on via chat or other written responses. The customer needs can go from basic to very complex sometimes. So if you're not good with dealing with customer service at a high level, again, this one might not be for you. Now, if this particular job does not work for you, I have plenty of other options for you. Number one, like I said, you can go onto the website and look through the other options that they have. Number two, as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, you can go to my description box and download the HireRect app, because this is going to give you more opportunities that are tailored to your particular job preferences. And number three, you want to go ahead in the description box and click on the work from home jobs list, because I've created a list of 100 work from home remote opportunities that will include worldwide opportunities and worldwide job openings. So you want to make sure that you look into the description box, because it's going to have all that you need. Some of your tasks are going to include engaging, consulting, and educating members based upon the members' unique needs, preferences, and understanding of the company's plans. So you can, of course, go onto the website for yourself, finish reading that. Let's get down to the required qualifications, because everything under here is going to be very important that you understand. Now wait, before we continue throughout this video, can you guys do me a favor? If you're liking this information and if you're enjoying this content, go ahead into the comments section and leave me your favorite emoji. So I always say that you can leave me a smiley face, a thumbs up, or a heart, or just whatever you desire as your favorite emoji. Some people leave me some like very comical things. I don't mind it. Leave me your favorite emoji in the comments section, because that lets me know that you're still listening. So luckily for this position, you only need a high school diploma or GED equivalent to get hired. So you don't need to have like a degree or a lot of experience for this position. But you do need to be able to be in a productive environment. So having a home office is going to be really great and give you an advantage. Also, their CV requirements is something that you're going to want to read through. So, of course, this is CVS, so they do have some VAX requirements. However, if you are able to get exempted for any disability, medical, or religious reasons, you can submit a waiver, but this has to be within the first 10 days of your employment in order to remain employed with CVS. So just to repeat that, they do require VAX. However, they do have room for accommodations, but you do have to have all of that information in 10 days before your employment. And so if you find that you do qualify for this, you can go ahead and click apply. And then you'll be redirected to this page here, which is going to ask you to actually create an account with CVS Health. And then you'll have to do the regular process of job applications. So your first name, last name, your information, your previous history, all that other good stuff. So this was just a quick work from home video for all of you who are interested in remote jobs. If you enjoyed this video, or if you just love me as a content creator, please do me a favor and like this video, because it's going to help me expand our family and expand our reach to help other people start making money. And also, if this is your first time here, why not join the Millennial Money Making Squad? Okay, so hit that subscribe button so that you can see more videos from me and learn how to make money through different ways, such as passive income, starting a business, and even some more work from home jobs. Thank you so much for watching and staying into the end. And you might also want to check out these two videos here, because I'm sure that you'll like them. So I'll see you all in the next one.